Right, we've got this Fifine microphone basically. Um, Sold as broken because it would have had a USB originally, and someone's adapted it to this 4-pin plug. So let's see if I can revert it back to USB. So obviously USB would have been onto there. And this lovely contraption. Right, let's cut all this all out and see if we've got a USB port I can use. Right. Right, it looks like they just cut the whole port off and leave the pins in. So you have to try and remove these now. Right, got a wick, which I think we come out now. I'm not going in. Ish. See anything? Hmm. Right, actually adapted one of these USB B or micro USB, or was it a mini USB? Anyway, I bent the pins on it, and issues in soldered. I've checked for shorts, so if I go under the microscope, just turn that on. So that's there. Basically, I bent the pins down, soldered them onto the pads, checked fluff off me cotton buds that I bought. I checked all the pins and they all seem to be spot on. I've got nice ground legs. I have actually ordered the correct ones with the bent pins already in, because basically that's the type I adapted. I just bent them pins and bent down two of the anchor points. Those two, because obviously those two weren't long enough. Oh, I meant to solder them on, but I've got Amazon coming tomorrow anyway, so it's in nice and clean. I suppose only one thing for it is to test it. Let's go back to the overhead camera. So let's have a little tidy. So I should have a lead here. Yay. Right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Listen for a bang. Yes! I just heard it go doo-doo. Right, that's obviously mute. Speak. Oh, what we got? Top one's mic, bottom one's headphones. Right, so we've got a 3.5 jack there. You plug the headphones in, that controls that. That bit of mic. Well, I guess there's only one way to find out. Let's test it. In system sound. Oh, yes, it's there. So if I unplug it, it disappears. Plug it in. Yes, that's it there. Right, so basically we can volume 6. Ooh, turn that up, don't we? Turn it up. I don't know. Anyway, testing 1 2 1 2. New Fifine. Right. Ooh, there it goes. Audio input capture device. This is testing 1 2 1 2 on the Fifine. Right, let me put this back together. Oh, I've got it turned up maximum. Let me try and turn it down a bit. That's sort of halfway. It's something I get used to. Excellent. Let me put it back together. Let me put this back together. We'll test it. Let me pause the video. Yes. Jesus, I'm nervous. Right, this should go back in this way. It sounded good because I heard it click on the PC. I presume it's recognised it. Get this screw in. Okay. Yes. Right. Right, what we do. Right, so we're on our video capture device. Basically, this is the headphone I've got my headset. So should be, if we add input voice. Alright, it's Fifine, Fifine, and it's the, oh, there it is. Yes. Okay. Right, now if I turn off my headset, this now should be Fifine. So if I sit back from it, that's working. If I put the overhead camera back on and turn that capture card off, that is it there. Let me monkey brush out of the way. So yes, we seem to be working. I'm talking quietly. This is now on the way. I'm in the back of my seat. So that's it to maximum. And I'm sort of whispering really. Talking loudly, talking normally there. So I can set them settings. I presume that's going to turn it down. Yeah, I can see it on there. So it looks like we're up and running. Now the worst thing is I've ordered 10 of these mini USB B types. And I know this, I'm just going to leave this one in because this is mine and I will just be keeping it. So I don't know why the picture's frozen. Thanks for watching, and I'll do some more videos soon.